Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to lock your Facebook profile. So this feature is great if you want more privacy. It limits who can see your posts, photos and information. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application on your phone. Then you need to log in into that particular account of yours which you want to basically lock. So the home page of Facebook will look something like this, where simply tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. This is going to redirect you here on your profile page. Now over here, tap on the three dots right next to the edit profile option. Here, the option of lock profile will be visible. This is going to be the seventh option. So simply tap on it. Now, before locking your profile, you need to make sure that you read all of the information that is given over here. So only your friends will be able to see your past and your future photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and the cover photo, and the people will still be able to see the profile info set to public posts that you are tagged in, search for you and send you friend request. So here tap on the option of lock your profile in the bottom. After that, wait for some time until it shows you that you have successfully logged your profile. Now you need to press OK, and there you go, you have successfully logged your profile, and now only your friends can view your photos, your posts and stories. Non-friends will see just a limited view of your profile. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.